Look at everybody else coming behind us. Look at this. Look at all these people.
This is a nice winery place, isn't it?
Jerry can't just walk up.
You guys want to walk in?
Nobody wants to be first.
Oh,
is that what it was?
I have no problem being first.
No, I don't have a problem being first. I'm just trying to film everybody going in. And Jerry's holding the door. Such a gentleman.
Air conditioning now.
Jerry, you had one taste.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure what that was.
I don't know why. I just do. Recording everybody going in.
Don't you run away from the camera. She ran away from the camera.
Yeah, they were. Very normal walk.
You lost part of your channel. Where'd she go?
The smart part's staying in there where it's cool.
That's been good. I've only got two.
Let me pour some more.
Thank you.
Okay, we need
I didn't buy anything.
Why?
All right.
Somewhere.
Really?
Go in.
Bumblehead.
Be the first.
Going in.
And there's Jerry over there. Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding.
Okay.
Plus anything.
Wow. Look at those beautiful treats.
Okay.
It's a really old cemetery. 1887, 1885. Saw one that was 1947. So far, that's the most recent that I've seen. It's pretty good size. Those over there in the corner, some of those look a little newer, more modern. Had to stop here. This is the coolest old house that is now a winery slash liquor store. She's got a lot of chocolates and stuff in there. Wasn't even supposed to be open today, but we saw the sign was lit up, and sure enough, she was open, and so we did a little shopping small today. Great place, lovely lady. We are glad that we got to stop here.